Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. I will use this default one, and now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. Now we have to enter the settings, and here let's tap on privacy and security. And as you can see here, we've got actually plenty of options to choose from, and as you can see, we've got some sections. So we've got location, passwords, form data, cookies, so you can decide what you want to remove. So if you would like to clean the history, just tap on it. Your device will tell you that it will delete the browser navigation history, so just tap on OK. And as you can see right now, this option is inactive, so it means that you just successfully removed history. What's more, you can clear cache, so just do the same, just repeat all these steps in the sections which you would like to remove. So the same situation with cookies, form data also, location access, and the passwords. So actually, as you can see, those options are inactive. So as I said, it means that you just successfully removed actually everything. So this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.